How's it going, everybody? We want to talk about the meal prep. I have said we're going to have a video on meal prep. And basically, when we talk about meal prep, what we're talking about is basically prepping your meals in advance. Usually I put them in Tupperware and so that you have basically what you're going to eat maybe for a few days or either throughout the week. First question is, someone asks, well, should I meal prep? Nobody has to meal prep, but I think that as far as like for fitness goes and trying to make sure your diet stays on point, it's a good thing and a very helpful thing to meal prep because that keeps the guessing game out of it. You already have your meals prepped, you know what you're going to do. And we all know once you get hungry and you want to eat, then sometimes your mind just starts thinking about, oh, what else can I eat? What is this kind of stuff? So when you meal prep, you have your meals ready to go. You have them at your beck and call, basically, and all you have to do is stick them in the microwave, heat them up, warm them up, and eat them. And it keeps you on your strict diet. It keeps you straight. And as we know, I keep trying to stress this as much as possible in this fitness game. It's not like you have to completely not enjoy any of your favorite foods. That's not what it is about. But nutrition is number one for most people. I mean, there are some few people out there that can just kind of smash on whatever they want to eat on and still make gains and look pretty good and get fit. But most and majority is our diet is going to make up basically 80% of what we're looking like and the results we're getting. And so if you're just saying, I just want to eat food, how important is you let food control your whole life? Food should not control your whole life. I mean, how important is it just for this 10 minutes or whatever of satisfaction of this fattening and sugary foods going into my mouth or fried foods going in my mouth? Yeah, it's satisfying for a moment, but it's about long-term goals. And that's one thing about people with great physiques. And most of the time, you're able to see that they're disciplined. They're telling themselves no about a lot of things. They're going to the gym on a consistent basis. They're doing those things that shows some character at the same time. And it's kind of the same thing with life. Nothing that's worth having is really easy, you know. And so you have to work for this. It's not something that's going to be easy. Your eating is very important. And so really with meal prep, that's basically what it is. I will do some more videos. If you've got any questions, please leave them below. So that we can, so I kind of know kind of more likely where to take the next video. I will possibly like to show you a meal prep session that I have. I'll show you one so that you can kind of see how I do it, but it's really simple. It's just cooking the different foods and then packing them up. I kind of know by heart now about how much, but you can even measure it out. We can talk about measurements as far as how many ounces is usually in a serving or what. And I hope you guys are pretty familiar with reading labels and knowing what's in stuff. If not, there's something else you can ask for a video on. We can do that as well. But basically, we're just out here trying to help people out, trying to make sure people stay fit, reach their goals, and stay healthy, because there's so many people that even are sick from reasons they don't have to be because of their health, and that has to do with weight and basically their lifestyle of eating and different things. And so basically that's it. That's what I wanted to talk about. This is the video, the first video on meal prep, but there will be another one maybe kind of showing exactly how I put it together. Other than that, you always know what I say. At the end of the day, you ain't got to do nothing, I say.